Hi guys, welcome back to our channel BPA Coder. If you're new to this channel, then please do like, share and subscribe to our channel BPA Coder. Today in this video, we are going to see how to create a line marker stacked chart in VBA Excel. So to create a line marker stacked chart in VBA Excel, we require the data as shown on the screen. This is the sample data which I have created in Excel to demonstrate the line marker stacked chart in VBA Excel. So first we will be seeing the output of a chart, and then we will be having a deep explanation and the understanding about our code to create a line marker stacked chart in VBA Excel. So first we will be seeing the output. Let's see the output now. So as you can see, this is our line marker stacked chart in VBA Excel, and this is the macro button in which I have assigned the VBA code to create this amazing line marker stacked chart in VBA Excel. Now let's see how we can create this type of amazing chart in VBA Excel, and let's see what all codes has to be written to create this type of chart in VBA Excel. So let's have a look at our VBA editor. So as you can see on the screen that this is our VBA editor, and this is the sub procedure which we have created to create a line marker stacked chart in VBA Excel. So this is the entire code from which we have created a line marker stacked chart in VBA Excel. Now let's see what all codes has to be written and what these lines of code will help us to create a line marker stacked chart in VBA Excel. So the first line of code which we are going to type, or we have already typed over here, is selecting a single cell inside our data. So as you can see that we have selected a single cell which is E5 inside our data over here, and after selecting a single cell inside our data, what we are going to do is we are going to type another line of code below that, which is active sheet dot shapes dot add chart 2. After that we are going to open the brackets and we are going to give some parameters inside the brackets. So each and every parameter inside the brackets should be separated by a comma. So the first parameter which we are going to give is the chart value. So each and every chart has its own value. For our video we are going to use 2, or you can say the assigned or the chart value for creating a line marker stack chart in VBA Excel is 2. So that's why we have given 2 over here. After that, giving a comma, we are going to mention what type of chart we are trying to build in this video or in this sub procedure. So the type of chart which we are going to build is line marker stacked chart. So in Excel we are going to mention we have to mention Excel first over here. So inside the VBA editor, VBA understands this as the type of chart which we are trying to build. So first we have to type Excel, then the type of a chart, which is Excel line markers chart. Once you have given this, then we are going to mention the top, left and width parameters to position and size our chart, which is here. And then we are going to close the bracket, and then outside the brackets we are going to type dot select. So what this line of code specially do is this line of code will create a line marker stacked chart in VBA Excel and select the same chart which is created. Now wait, this will be the this will be just a chart, and it won't be customized or it won't be more presentable when you write only this line of code. So to make it more presentable, what we are going to do is we are going to use a width block, or you can say a width statement, to make it more presentable and understandable. So to create that type of chart or you can say do some modifications inside our chart to make it more presentable, what we are going to do is we are going to use the with statement. After typing with, then give a space and type active chart. Once you have typed with active chart over here, right below that type dot hash title equals to true. So what this line of code do is, this line of code sends the information to VBA programming that our chart has a title, and then below that we are going to mention dot chart title dot text equals to, and inside the double inverted comma we are going to give what should be our chart title as per our preference or the data. So for this video, to make it more understandable, I have written line markers chart, or sorry, this is line markers stacked chart in VBA Excel. So this is the chart title which I have written or given to my chart over here, which is appearing exactly the same inside my chart over here. So this line will be used to set the chart title. After that, what we are going to do is we are going to type dot set element, and inside the brackets we are going to type MSO element data label show. So this line of code will show the data labels inside our chart. So as you can see that each and every chart, or you can say each and every data point of the chart is labeled. As you can see, the year 1, year 2, year 3 has the data labels applied for each and every data points. And if you want to know, like if you are still imagining that what is exactly the line markers, what markers means, so the markers is nothing but, as you can see over here in the legend over here inside a chart, as you can see some symbols are appearing for each and every category over here, or you can say for each and every year over here. So each and every year has some sort of design in the line given over here, or a shape. So for year 1 there's a diamond, for year 2 it's a square, and for year 3 it's a triangle. So this is what markers means. Now let's get back to our code. So the next element which we are going to type is dot set element, and inside the brackets we are going to give MSO element primary value grid lines none. What this line of code will do is, this line of code will remove the grid lines inside your chart, any grid lines inside your chart. This is primary value grid lines type, so this will remove the grid lines inside your chart. After that, what we are trying to do is we are trying to build this data table with the legend keys inside our chart. So to build this data table inside a chart, we have to type this line of code, which is dot set element, and inside the brackets we are going to give MSO element data table with legend keys. Once you have written this line of code, automatically your table or the data table with the legend keys will be created inside your chart. Once this is created, what we are going to do is we are going to delete the value axis. Now why do you want to delete the value axis? Because we have already shown the data table over here, and we have already labeled our data points inside our chart. So what I believe is, to make it more presentable, we can delete the Excel value axis over here. So to delete the value axis, we have to write the code as dot axis, and inside the brackets we are going to give Excel value, and outside the brackets we are going to type dot delete. Once you have written this line of code, your value access will be deleted. After that, at the end of the code over here, just below this, we are going to type end with. Now, why we are typing end with over here? Because we have opened, or we have started the with statement over here. So to end the with statement, we have written end with. So if you have followed till here, then congratulations, you have learned how to create a line markers tagged chart in VB Excel. And one more thing, so as you can see that we have selected our chart while creating at the initial of this video or of our code. So to deselect our chart, we are going to select any empty cell inside our worksheet. So for this worksheet or this video, I have selected I4 as my empty cell by using range I4 dot select. So this will deselect my active chart. Now congratulations, you have learned how to create a line markers tag chart in VB Excel. And if you like this video, then please do like, share and subscribe to our channel BPO Coder. For more such videos, please do visit to our channel page. As well as if you have any doubts or suggestions, please do comment in the comment box. Till then, have a great day from BPO Coder. Bye.